During this Adobe Flash tutorial, you are going to learn how to import your images. You should already have your layers set up to where each layer is already labeled with pick 1, pick 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you should have 5 layers, each labeled with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Make sure you are on the layer that you intend to bring the image into. So we're going to start by selecting pick 1, which is your bottom layer, and then you're simply going to go up to the top and say File. You're going to go to Import, and then you're going to say Import to Stage. Now you should already have your pictures already on your computer, so you should have already downloaded them and have your pictures, and you'll know where your pictures are because you could have put them in a folder called Images or wherever it is that you've set up your folder to have your images. So again, all we did was File, Import, and then we're going to click on Import to Stage. And that's going to take you onto your desktop to go find your photos. And again, you would have placed these somewhere, so you should know where those are. Now we are going to match, when we are on layer pick 1, we're going to select car wash 1. When we're on layer pick 2, we'll select car wash 2, and so forth. So let's go ahead and select car wash 1 and then click on Open. If you do get a notice that says this file appears to be a part of a sequence of images, it's asking if you want to import all of these images into the same sequence. Click on No in case you get that. You may or may not get that message. Alright, so now we have our first picture on our layer 1, pick 1. Now what we're going to do is simply go through each of our layers. So we're going to go to pick 2, and that's the layer there, and we could just come up and do the same steps. File, Import, Import to Stage, and now go and select car wash 2 and then click on Open. Go to pick 3 layer, and then once again go to File, Import, Import to Stage, and select car wash 3, and so forth. I'm going to go ahead and continue here to bring in all of my images. So I'm going to go to pick 4, and then I will go to pick 5 after that. So same steps every time. Last one, pick 5, File, Import, Import to Stage, and the last one, car wash 5, and we're done. So now you should be able to see that every single layer on the timeline, you can see they turned gray and it has a black dot in them. That means that there is something on each of these layers. Now to be able to work with each of your layer photos, at the beginning you may want to turn the visibility off so that you can work with one layer with one photo at a time, and so that's what I've done there. When you're ready to work with the next one, you just simply tap on that again, and it brings it back into view. So just by simply tapping in the visibility section of the layer, you will be able to toggle those on and off. So that is how easy it is to bring in images into Adobe Flash.